Good morning. We have a very big day today. It's not going to be a glamorous day, but it's going to be a productive day. Two of the wheels, I have completely removed all the scratches and the gutter rash and everything like that. I've thrown some white paint on one just to see what it would look like, and I love it. I still need to do the other two, then I'm going to get some tires fitted to them. But this is probably not going to go as you think it would. It's going to be an adventure like everything is here. This is actually way easier than I thought. It only takes about sort of 10-15 minutes per wheel. I've got a podcast in. Getting through this and the results after you've done it, it just looks amazing. It looks brand new again. Now in the last video when I went to go try on those wheels, I spoke to the guys and they were going to do me a deal on some secondhand tires. But then I jumped on Marketplace, and because I got a staggered setup, I'm going to need different tires on the front and the back. I'm only going to buy 2 of each size tire, and I found some insane deals on Facebook Marketplace. So today I'm going to pick up 2 different sets of tires from 2 different places. It's a little bit of running around, but wait until you see how much this is going to cost me. So these are what we're getting. This is a look at the tires. They're 215 45 17s. These have, these still have about 70% of the tread left on them. This is an amazing deal. Just looking around to see if they have the size I want for the rear. The fronts are a really common size, 215 45 17, but the rears are quite uncommon. I'm getting 235 45 17. Doesn't look like he has any here, but that's all good because I do have a shop that we're going to go to after this to get some. Okay. Well, this is awesome news. The wheel that's had the repair, they balanced out fine, and he just did a test. Dumping it in the water, no bubbles came out, so it's not leaking and it's balanced up fine. That's a win. All right, 2 down, 2 to go. All right, second shop. I'm excited for these tires because I think they're going to be really good. So this is a look at what we got. Got some Dunlop 235 45 17s, and these are really good. These are probably like still 80% of their tread left, and the price you won't believe. Guy is just removing. There's like, and it's been on all the wheels, there's like silicone. They put like some kind of silicone or something like that, something to seal the tire around, so they've got to remove all that now. It's been the same on all 4 wheels. By the way, 4 different wheels, 4 different tires. But we're gonna get on top of that today. Look how much stretch is on these old tires. There's a crazy amount of stretch on these old tires. These are 215s and I'm replacing them with 235s. They will still be stretched a little bit, but not not this much. So good news, the repaired wheel balances, doesn't leak. Moment of truth. Oh yeah, balance is fine, no leaks. Oh, that's a real weight off my shoulders actually. Stoked. Oh, that was a result. I was in and out of there in like 15 minutes. They killed it. So we are almost done. I'm dying to tell you how much these were, but you gotta wait. This is all part of the suspense. One more step. So now I need to go home. I told you this wasn't gonna be a glamorous day. I need to go home, grab the Cefiro. I'm gonna throw 2 of the wheels in that. I am off to a body shop to get the guards rolled. I wanted to get the tires on first so we can fit it and make sure it's all gonna fit. I am lowering this thing in a couple of days. I'm gonna fucking slam it to the ground. So I just need to make sure the wheels and the tires are gonna fit for when I do that. Oh man, this day. So if you're wondering why I didn't just drive the Cefiro all day and just leave the wheels in here, this thing still isn't perfect to drive. The suspension needs replacing. The rear shocks are completely shot, and it really doesn't drive all that nice, especially if you go over like bumps and uneven bits of road. The back end sort of really pogos around and it can really unsettle the car, and it's not that great to drive. So as I said, I am going to be lowering this thing. I bought some new coilovers for it. I'm going to install them next week. The shop that I'm going to get the guards rolled now, it's only just a 20-minute drive from my house. And then we're going to be done. Big day. Alright, so I have arrived at the garage where I'm going to be getting the guards rolled. Got the wheels in the back here. Check this place out. A couple of sick E30 BMWs. So this is the fitment. There's a bit of camber, so when it drops down it will go in slightly, but these are going to need to come out to clear these bad boys. The fronts actually fit pretty good. Plenty of room there. I'm going to drop it down a bit, but it doesn't look like that's going to be too much of an issue. It's just these rears. Whoa. Well, these guys are doing an awesome job, way more thorough than I expected. I thought it was just going to be a few minutes that sort of pump them out, but they're getting stuck right into it, and I'm really impressed with how good of a job they're doing. Oh yeah. Okay. Good. It's funny to your eye, it doesn't look like it's made much of a difference, but when he jacks the car up like that, when he jacks the wheel up into the wheel arch, it is actually going to clear and the wheels are going to fit. I'm just so happy. Well, today has been an absolute result. We're making massive progress, and I'm so excited about how this build's all coming together. So for the grand totals on everything, the first set of tires that I picked up was 1,000 baht, believe it or not. The second set of tires that I picked up, the Dunlops, were 1,200 baht for the two, and these are they look almost new. I can't believe how good of a price I got them for. And then this work here, getting the guards rolled, is costing me 2,700 baht. It's taken a little over 2 hours. They've done a really good job, and putting the tire up into the arch and knowing that it sits there and it's not going to rub, I'm just so happy. Well, this has been a fun day. Like I said, not glamorous, but we made a lot of progress.